Hello everyone. In this video, I will cover my project Air Quality Index Predictions using machine learning model. The project aims to help in air pollution management by forecasting air quality index level based on environmental factors and pollutant concentrations. I worked on this project by performing data transformation, pre-processing, model development, and visualizations, ensuring high data integrity and meaningful insights. So, we overview the data sets which to predict air quality index effectively. I use the data sets that contain various pollutants and environmental parameters such as some concentration of PM2.5, PM10, NO2, SO2, carbon monoxide, O3, and more. These pollutants impact air quality significantly. After that, temperature and humidity are the other features which in these environmental factors influence the dispersions and concentration of pollutants. The datasets provides historical air quality index data records over time, which is essential for training a time series forecasting model. So here are the CSV file of air quality index model project. So this CSV file was imported into a Google Colab. So the code and the Python I implemented for data collection and pre-processing and other transformation other transformation also. So the second step was data pre-processing and transformations. Before building the model, I performed data pre-processing to ensure high data accuracy. These steps include handling missing value. Some pollutants values are missing, so I use appropriate techniques like interpolations or mean imputations. The second things I did is outlier detecting and removal. Sudden spikes in air quality index value were detected and corrected to avoid model misinterpretations. Normalization and features engineering. I normalize the data to bring all pollutants value to a common scale, making the model more effective. So these data processing techniques helps in achieving 98% integrity, ensuring accurate predictions. So here are the Python code I implemented in a Google Colab. After that, the third step is machine learning model. To predict air quality index trends, I use Prophet, a time series forecasting models. This model is highly effective in capturing seasonable trends and making reliable future prediction. So, by incorporating NumPy and Pandas, I ensuring the data handling and processing. So in machine learning model, mainly key, key steps I done in model training is splitting the data set into training and testing sets. After that, feeding the model with historical air quality index data, environmental factors, and optimizing the model to minimize errors. Step 4 is air quality predictions and visualization. Once the model was trained, it generated future air quality index trends, helping in proactive air pollution management. So the trends we visualize here. Here the profit is used. Wait a second. To explain these predictions, I use data visualization techniques such as line chart uh, to show how air quality index fluctuates over time, scatter plots to analyze the impact of different pollutants on air quality index, and bar graph to compare air quality index level across different months of labor or regions. This visualization was created using Power BI and Python libraries like Matplotlib, making it easier to interpret insights. So, throughout this project, I demonstrated expertise in the data transformations, machine learning, and time series forecasting. The air quality index prediction model provides valuable insights that can help in air quality monitoring and environmental decision making. Thank you for watching.